Hey guys, welcome to this week's video and my minimalist makeup routine. I like to start with this sunscreen by Supergoop. It's called glowscreen. This takes the place of actual foundation for me. It's one of my favorite products of all time. You'll see it already is changing my skin from dull and taking it to a much more hydrated, fresh, glowy look. I love having a simple daily makeup routine. I'm really excited to be making this video as part of the Routines and Rhythms playlist with several of my other minimalist YouTube friends. So definitely check out the other videos on minimalist daily routines in this playlist. I will make sure to link it in the description below and also at the end of this video. This stuff is pure magic. It's a mineral sunscreen. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't irritate my eyes, and I'm super sensitive. I just can't say enough good things about glowscreen. Okay, now it's time to give myself some eyebrows. I have very sparse brows, as you can see. I like the shape of my brows. I just need a little help filling them in. So I am using a MAC eyeshadow called Espresso. It's been my color for years. I think it's a very universally flattering color. It's dark brown. Black would be too harsh for my skin tone, and anything lighter just wouldn't be a right fit. So this Espresso really does the trick. And what I'm using is an angled brush by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. This is a brand that Sephora carries. And I tried to mimic the hair by using short brush strokes and following the angle of my natural brow line. I keep a pretty light touch. I don't want them to be too harsh. Voila, I have eyebrows. Next up is this cheek gel by Pixie. This is a brand that Target carries, and I prefer liquid blush over powder blush. Again, it gives that dewy finish. Next up is this lip pencil by MAC. I will put the color in the description box. I don't know it off the top of my head. I just line the outside of my lips. Now I'm filling it in with an NYX Butter Gloss. I blot a little bit to give myself a natural pink nude lip. Onto the lashes. What I'm putting on here is a lash glue by Lashify. And then what I use for the actual lashes is by Ardell. I use their short and medium wispies. I never figured out how to put on regular lashes. And because I don't like mascara, it irritates my eyes. I am so happy to have found the solution. It is the easiest thing in the world to put these lashes on. It makes such a huge difference. You can see my eye really pop there. It feels like you have nothing on, totally comfortable, and takes less than 5 minutes to put on. Again, one of my absolute favorite products. And if you wanted to, you could actually keep the lashes on for several days. It stays that well. Well, there you have it. Just a very natural, simple 5-minute makeup routine, very minimalist. And I think this is a perfect no makeup look. Make sure to subscribe for next week's video, and I'll see you then. Bye.